Replacement of the B8860S hollow sleeve. Release the pin securing the support tube of the handrail. Remove the armrest support tube. Release the pin securing the seat support tube and remove the seat support tube. Use a screwdriver to press against the rest points on both sides of the hollow bushing. Remove the hollow bushing. Use the same method to remove the hollow bushing from the seat position. Replace with a new hollow bushing. Reinstall the armrest support tube and seat support tube.